Hey there, hustlers! Did you know that your car, bike, or even your two legs can become money-making machines? That's right. Thanks to DoorDash, you can make cash while delivering meals and snacks to hungry people. Imagine this. You're cruising around town, jamming to your favorite playlist, and getting paid to do it. Sounds like a sweet gig, right? Well, buckle up, literally, because today I'm diving into how to make money with DoorDash. And before we get started, hit that subscribe button, because if you're not learning to earn smarter, you're missing out on some serious money hacks. Let's make it rain DoorDash style. 1. Sign up and dash your way to dollars. First up, becoming a DoorDasher is super easy. Just sign up, pass the background check, and you're good to go. DoorDash is flexible. You can dash whenever you want. Fun hook. Think of it as turning your car into a mobile money printer, minus the ink and, legal issues. Pro tip. Check if DoorDash is offering sign-up bonuses in your area. Sometimes they give extra cash just for completing a set number of deliveries. 2. Work smart, not just hard. Want to maximize your earnings. Deliver during peak hours, lunch, dinner, and late-night cravings. DoorDash even offers peak pay, which means you can earn extra per delivery during busy times. Humor hook. Think of yourself as a superhero, saving the day one late-night pizza at a time. Pro tip. Dash in high-demand areas, like neighborhoods with lots of restaurants. More orders yield more money. 3. Combine tips and tricks for bigger bucks. Did you know that dashing is one of the few gigs where tips can make or break your income? To boost tips, deliver on time or early. Be friendly and professional. And here's a little trick. Send a quick, "Your food's on the way" message through the app. It's like the delivery version of thanks for shopping. Fun. Hook. Because nothing says thank you for your tip like keeping someone's fries warm. 4. Maximize with stacked orders. Stacked orders are when you pick up multiple deliveries from nearby restaurants and drop them off on one trip. This saves time and boosts your per-hour earnings. Humor hook. It's like being the Uber of food, except your passengers are burgers and burritos. Pro tip. Be strategic. Only accept stacked orders that make sense for your route. Don't drive across town for $3. 5. Watch out for hidden gems. Challenges and promotions. DoorDash often runs challenges and promotions that can earn you extra cash. For example, complete 10 deliveries in a weekend, and they might throw an extra $50 your way. Fun hook. It's like a video game quest, except the treasure chest is real money. Pro tip. Check the app daily for new promos. It's free money, so why not? 6. Expenses matter. Dash smartly, keep track of your mileage, gas, and car maintenance costs. DoorDash doesn't pay for those, so being mindful of your expenses is key to maximizing profit. Humor hook. Don't let your gas tank eat all your earnings. It's not that hungry. Pro tip. Use apps like Everlance to track your mileage and deduct those expenses come tax time. 7. Don't forget bicycle and walking options. Don't have a car? No problem. DoorDash allows you to deliver on bikes or even by walking in some cities. It's a great way to earn and stay fit at the same time. Fun hook. Why pay for a gym when you can get paid to exercise and deliver burritos? Pro tip. If you're dashing without a car, focus on smaller delivery areas to make your trips quicker and more efficient. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to make money with DoorDash. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, part-time gig, or even full-time flexibility, DoorDash has you covered. Hit that subscribe button, because we're all about working smarter, not harder around here. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to motivation song while dashing? Let's ride this money wave together. See you out there, fellow dashers.